Hello guys and welcome back to MSX Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to stop Roblox Studio from accidentally launching or opening every time you're trying to just open a Roblox. Now let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is the obvious way, and that's simply just deleting Roblox Studio. But let's just say you don't want to delete Roblox Studio. What you can do is go ahead and type in Roblox, in the search bar. And once you see Roblox Studio pop up, go ahead and right click on it and hit open file location. Now once you click on open file location, what you can do is simply right click on Roblox Studio, hit show more options, and then go ahead and select rename. And then you can go ahead and change this to whatever you like. I recommend not, just make sure that the first name isn't Roblox. It's something like the studio, and hit enter, and you can go ahead and X out. Now what you can do is go ahead and open up the search bar again, type in Roblox, and as you can see, Studio won't even show up under best match. It will just be all the way under apps, but that you don't need to worry about that. It won't launch no matter what you do. Only way it will launch is if you just manually type it in, and then Roblox or Studio will pop up. And yeah, that should be it. Every time you type Roblox, the player will open up, and then you will be able to launch the game, and you can do it as fast as you want. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.